everybody. We're here to try to do this. A hairy one. Hey everybody, look at this one. Not even kidding. Hey everybody, look at this. This is no joke. Step in the mud because I remember this. Okay.
you dinner.
Thank you. Man.
So the dude that has the deep plow, he just one pass and that's it. He's gone.
He told me that.
That's it.
He told me that. He told me that's all he's doing. Because I said, I'm not here to step on no feet. I'm here to clean this up a little bit. He said, you have at it. I don't want nothing to do with it. I don't want it. I was doing one pass.
Holy shit.
Yep, it was him and his wife. Old guy.
Old guy, no clue.
Mm-hmm.
All I can say is, yeah, you might want to keep your plow high. Right now, we're just, I don't know, trying to.
I know.
What a mess. What a freaking mess. But no, when I used to plow with my dad, he would come flying down the hill right here where you're at and scare the shit out of me. I'd be like, oh my God, you're going to go in the creek.
Tell you what, these people would be proud of me.
Well, yeah.
Should I go do this?
Well, yeah, make sure that you angle.
Okay.
May I have that cigarette? Because I'm like I really am.
Guess what's weird? I'm just kidding.
No, I can't. It makes me.
No, can I? No,
Ed,
just kidding.
oh, you can if you want, Ed. But for me, no. Get clipping along. Try and get your plow about 6 inches above, and see if we can't throw a little bit of this. It might have to be more than 6 inches. I don't know. And look at it, all freaking wet and disgusting. Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Is there a long ways this way?
Oh, I thought you. Oh, you didn't come this way. did you?
Oh, tell me. Where am I at?
You're gonna hit a hill and you're gonna go down again, and then
Am I okay?
dog leg right.
Am I okay?
Dog leg right, back out to Route 5. No, you're doing great. Oh God, go back up again. She's just broken. Shit. Oh man.
What?
The window won't go back.
My friend broke the button.
Dog leg right at the bottom of the hill.
I got you. I might not be able to make this.
No, you might have to, I don't know, go forward. I don't know. Look at this guy. Like, what good is this dude? This. Oh my God. Your friend broke it?
Yeah, yesterday. Now, can I put a pile there?
Yeah. Like I said, the telephone pole is the right of way. I would lift your plow up a little bit though.
Oh, shit.
Man, don't get stuck because I'm not going to be able to come get you. My 4-wheel drive is stuck. We probably should have had you get my Ford unstuck, because the best way to do it, like when you're doing this, is tag team it. That guy's smart. He doesn't want to get stuck. Oh, you don't want to get stuck here, Ed.
I'm telling you, this truck is stupid. It is
Okay,
heavy.
but it'll still get stuck.
I know.
My Bronco was stupid. Lift your plow up just a little. Jesus Christ. You're doing great. I love your hand towels. I only had that when I had when I was working. Moving snow around, pushing snow. Well, what about these poor people down here that it looks like Elkin's like vacated their house? No, the whole road goes that way.
Yeah, the whole road shut up.
Go
I
hang
know.
a right and let's maybe try and get out of here and
Hold on. I'm going to try to get further up to clean it up. Hold on. Let me get some more of this. Dig down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? That way I can get traction. Watch, you see. You'll be proud of me. Your neighbors will. Somebody will when I'm done. He wasn't interested, man. Dude was not interested.
A guy and his wife.
Old guy and his wife.
Wow.
Now what I'm doing now, I'm widening it up so we reach the corner, you know.
Lift up. Oh.
truck.
I just don't want you to get stuck because
I don't want to get stuck.
I got stuck so many times when I used to plow, and I'm not going to be able to help you. That's the thing. And no wreckers are going to come down here. So I really think we need to get out of here, Ed. We need to try and go back that way.
I'm gonna, girlfriend.
And-
I'm trying to get a nice pad.
Let's.
Hear me? That way when I make this corner, I don't be like...
Yeah, there's a ditch. It's not big, but there is a ditch down there, and you don't want to get your plow down in that or your tires. This is the trouble area for them down here, just kind of like the creek is for me, you know.
People think he's got tracks. What I'm doing is I'm securing myself for when I turn that corner. You hear me?
That's gonna be your bank.
Yeah. I'm securing myself. Look at that. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, there's people that just watch that pole, man. You're
I see.
close.
I see it. I see it. Punch. I'll widen it up a little bit more. There you go. I'm glad you had faith in me. Somebody did. Holy shit.
Well, I called a bunch of people.
That's crazy.
I called.
You, of all people. You don't even know me.
Well, I know you got a plow. Yeah, I know you got a plow. And I know you got new tires on your truck.
Okay, now I think I might be able to start edging around this pole. That's stupid. Why is the pole like that? Is that road a lot bigger than I just
It just,
didn't go far enough?
You really, when you make that bend, you have to, yeah.
Watch, you'll see what I'm doing, man.
It's
You
not
go.
just a corner. It's, you know. It goes off at an angle a bit.
What way? Right or left?
When you make this bend, it's not like it's just a perfect corner. It kind of goes down this way, and then you have to turn back around the way we're coming. And
Now watch, I'm going to show you what I'm about to do.
just don't get your tires in a low spot.
Just give me the wider corner. For everybody, actually.
Look at all these semis up there still traveling, man. You guys are nuts. Yep, it's almost front end loader time.
Just tell people Ed brought his front end loader. Remember that. Remember that.
Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. All these semis, Jesus. Someone said they're doing this because they get paid by the mile, not by the hour.
So can I put it over there, little?
Oh yeah, you can load it up there, but this dude's driveway goes back here, so
Am I
just
gonna
kind of
block
try and
him
keep
in?
your plow high a little bit.
Point it high. Don't want to push.
I just don't want you pushing mud around.
wide can I make it? I don't want to hurt.
Oh, this is really wide here. Telephone pole, and then there's no pole over here, so.
Can you see out? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, don't tell nobody. Is there ditches out there? I felt one.
Ditch now.
Yeah, I felt it. Drop.
There's no ditch. It's just.
You better not.
There's no ditches here.
Oh,
Just pile it up all over there. Yeah.
I'm gonna start little, watch. Show you how it's done. No, I do it. Like that. The way I do it to the ground solid.
Yep.
Get a good lift on that.
There's something way back there.
Time they get here, hopefully we'll be turned around. Get this shit out of the way because the cops get mad about that.
Oh yeah, they don't like you leaving snow on them.
Yeah, they'll try to come looking for you.
You impaired the roadway. I don't know. It looks to me are the highways like, are they getting slippery? Like, is it thawing?
The highways are good. I don't get it. It's like, I don't get it, dude. It's like they're not paying attention to the right neighborhood or something.
Well, our dude, they're saying that he quit, but no, he didn't quit. He got messed up in Erie and broke down or something.
Well, you had that.
So his truck's really old.
Does he got
Unless
nice-
he got a new rig, but his truck is really old
Does he-
and
He don't got nice equipment,
it's just old.
and he does this.
Yeah.
I don't want.
All right, that's good. Now you're gonna block Mark's driveway.
Where's his driveway?
Right here, like almost right here. So
Should I back drag it?
you can if you want. You'd probably appreciate it. But I don't know if you're gonna be able to get your plow high enough to back drag anything.
Watch. I should use this. Okay. Maybe drive.
Yeah, his driveway goes, to the left of that tree right there. Car coming.
Right here, I can get that. Watch.
That's good. That's good for Mr. Mark. He's a good guy. Yeah, you can leave it a little thick here. It doesn't have to be real. I just want to take a ride down the road now and see what we got. Oh God, what a fucking mess. But if you're gonna head down that way, angle your plow that way and just,
This way?
yeah, and you can leave it kind of high if you want to try and knock some of that off. Just don't have it down to the ground. Don't have it down to the, just keep it kind of high and see if you can throw any of it. There's your area down here. Oh, it's getting soupy. Oh, yeah. This
Is
gonna
that
be-
off the road right
Oh
there?
my! No, you're still. I mean, there's a road that goes that way. We're just kind of blocking them in. Uh-oh.
Come on. Talk to her a little bit.
Yeah, I don't even know if this helps or hurts people. The one thing it'll do though is if emergency vehicles need to get down here, the road will be passable.
These people will be mad I'm blocking them in with this. What am I supposed to do, right? Didn't you?
push it.
Keep roll right through.
Yeah.
Nobody gets it.
Well, they said we're supposed to get more snow, so.
They're just trying to shoot me over there.
Oh, I thought it was a little more. Oh boy. I thought it was a little more solid than this.
Whatever. You knew better. You knew you set me up for this failure.
This isn't failure. You're doing great.
I'm just snow machine. Get it?
Oh, did you do this?
Yes.
Oh, this looks great, man.
Yeah, that's what I was
Just kind of lift the
doing.
plow and let it just kind of fan out. This is great, Ed.
That's my marks going over here turning around.
Oh yeah, like Mr. V Plow was gonna. Oh, Mr. V Plow.
I think I might be doing okay of a job so far. I don't know.
Well, if I had a plow, I'd be pushing it. You know, I wouldn't try and plow it. I'd push it. But that takes a lot of time. But like right now, there's nowhere for the snow to go.
Yeah, that right.
There's just nowhere for you to fly. You know, nowhere for it to fly. And you got your plow in the wrong direction.
This time I do, right?
I think the plow should be facing right. It's facing that way.
Well, we're going both ways, but we'll keep doing it, right? Until we get it.
I actually think it's good enough. All I ask is if you could get me unstuck and clear a spot
I know
where
I
my
need-
truck is parked.
These mother effers need to recognize this dude. Oh, this actual work. This time around, I don't even feel like I got enough, honestly.
Well, you know what's over there. That is soupy. You know, to the right is where that really soupy spot is that I just had
I know I
graded.
ain't
So
going in there not even a little bit. See how
I
I'm
stay
trying-
away from there.
See how I'm kind of staying like.
But do you have anything to pull my truck out?
No, all my straps are broke. I don't even know if I got one in there.
I don't even know where mine is.
Oh, I'm going.
How am I going to get my truck out of there? Or am I just snowbound?
Now I'm trying to figure what's the best way to go. That way again or this way again? This is crazy.
Well, there's, like I said, unless you keep your plow up about that high and just try and throw that top level snow, there's not really anywhere else we can put it. That's why no one wants to come down here and plow. It's like it's a cluster F.
Yeah, look at this. Like I don't even know where the Evan Road is, too.
Telephone poles.
I see it.
Let the telephone poles guide you. Now you're coming down to your bank.
Look at this. Already, it don't even look like a plowed.
It does too. It looks great. I just feel bad for those people down there that no one's plowing them out. But that's a rental there. This is the Undertaker to the left. I don't know, Ed. I think this is good enough. There's nothing else we can do. Because the guy that plows down here should have been plowing every couple of hours, and he did it. He got stuck in here. And you don't have time to push, and I don't have the plow to push. Otherwise, I'd be pushing. You know when the snow gets so thick that you have to push, and then you back up. And then you move forward, and you push a little bit more, and then you back up. And then you keep doing that the whole way.
That fucker's going so slow, watch this. Go as slow as you want. Watch this.
Why don't you get off the highway?
You can't go any faster than that. You really can't get off the highway. Well, we got our solid proof right here on video. Whoops.
Oh, was it? It was. I got you swearing and stuff.
Oh, that's okay. I just put it for adults. Right? Right? How does that work? Ain't that how it works?
No one's gonna be getting their mail.
See, I'm coming down on height.
You set me up for failure.
Look at this.
No, you're gonna have to say this is a private road and this is a mess. Because their guy bailed. Their plow guy he bailed on them, got stuck, and didn't take care of it. Yeah, we need to be able to make it so that we have to probably get this huge mound out of there. Oh no, they don't. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I get that. We'll come the other way, though. We'll come the other way and play with that.
Well, yeah, and you're getting dirt too. You have to.
Yeah, I'm starting to D9 it. D9.
There goes one truck passing another, and this is how the road got blocked. Truckers passing other truckers.
Is there places to put this a little bit like this?
There's a 30-foot right of way.
That's it?
It's all I can tell you is there's a 30-foot road here. So, yeah, you're moving dirt right now. You have to bump your plow up a little bit more.
I got a lump that's there, it ain't no joke. And I got my plow up. Are you kidding?
Bump the plow up a little bit more.
There it is, bumped up.
Bump it up a little bit more then.
I just want to get some of that out. You got that right, kiddo. Let's see.
jacked up. I'm like,
I'm serious. What's wrong with you?
with you, Ed, you had it jacked up to like 110 degrees. This is it.
What?
There's not a whole lot else we can do here. If you want, you can try and back drag these people, my neighbors, get some of that snow mound out of them. But what about me? How am I going to get my truck out of there, man? My truck's stuck.
One road here, one road there, whatever.
Oh, this would be a great video. Lakey, this is...
Oh my God.
And plowing at night, that's when you get the... Oh yeah, that's a great... Are you filming right now?
Yep.
Ah!
Yep. We sure are.
Yeah, you can just get the audio out of that. I see a truck overtaking another truck. He's passing right now.
Well, you better slow down because Eddie's up here.
the one in our lane's traveling a very slow speed. The other one's passing them.
You said this way on the blade?
Well, that's how I always plow. I always try and throw it to the right when I always try and throw it to the right.
This is crazy. I mean, I could keep grooming this until I get it right.
It's really, it's too high to throw it.
Each time I'm getting more though, because I'm going wider. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? See it? That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna keep on right like that. We're throwing it now.
Oh, you got your seatbelt on.
There's a little pile.
There's your
coming
fun
up.
hill.
Yeah, your fun hill.
Can you just feather it like so it's not like these people, the road goes down that way, so.
There's a road there?
Uh-huh.
Where?
It goes down that way.
I don't know that.
See that house there? Yeah, just kind of feather it a little bit here. So it's not. Yeah. Then lift your plow up a little bit more, go to the right, lift it up a little, yeah.
Should I still feather it or clean it up a little better? You know, keep it clean, might as well.
Yes, I guess it's good enough. No one's plowing down that way.
Oh, I could.
Those are Airbnbs, though. There's
They
two
need
houses there that are Airbnbs. Everyone down here has so much money, Ed. So much money. Everyone down here. Deepest pockets you can possibly imagine.
I don't know about that.
But I think this is good enough for an emergency vehicle to get down, and that was my primary intent, was to make it so emergency vehicles can get down.
Got this plowed down now. Real down.
Well, you're just gonna plow mud. Now, I made you coffee.
Listen, you could literally have everybody's day, man. All we gotta do is keep on. You don't want to take the job? I could take this job. I don't mind. I'm already. Look how much I already did.
No, this is great. This is as good as it's gonna get, Ed.
Oh no.
This is as good as it is going to get.
Oh no. Let me just be better. Always. This way.
As long as if there's a fire, the fire truck can get down here. Or an ambulance. That's all I want. But what Mr. V Plow did, I don't think that was good enough. This is much better. This is nice and wide. This is perfect. Wish the whole road was that wide, but
in. That's all. I almost got this other one though. You see that?
Oh, this hill's a bitch. You just gotta keep your plow high and just skim it, and that's it. That's the best you can do.
Oh no, I can do it good. I'll bend it over. I'm making a little room for me to get out of here. Now, turn the plow the other way. See if I do this a couple more times, but I have it. Don't you know?
No, it's much better.
I've got faith in it.
This is much better.
Crazy. I didn't know about that back in the road. I didn't know about that road. Where are we going? Right here?
No. See where that truck is up there? Right about there is the way back in. Here's my woods. Yeah, last night all the traffic up here, I could see it from my house. It was just stopped. And here you are. Can you just barely see the sign there? But now, if an ambulance needs to come down here, they can get through.
No.
And before they couldn't. So this is much better. Oh, oh, my dad used to have to plow this. He'd plow for hours.
Somebody might be able to get out of here with a regular truck. You know what I mean? Where it is now, maybe not. 'Cause I'll tell you what, this truck don't play.
This truck's a beast.
It really is. It's like a snow machine.
It's a banana. Don't want to call it lemon. It's a banana.
Want to get that mud.
So I guess to get my truck out, I'm just going to have to shovel it.
Go one more time.
You can always push snow over there too by the police station, but what's really going to suck is if we get more snow and it starts to blow, this whole road's going to close in. And there's not going to be anywhere to put it. They're going to have to call a front end loader in. My dad always had one. My dad always had a big old front end loader ready to go. He only had to use it a couple of times, but because when he was living down here, he was one of the only year-round residents. These were all little cottages, little by little. People built big houses. Try and get rid of this ridge so that it...
I don't know where the road is. That's the problem.
telephone pole there and that telephone pole over there, and the road kind of bends a little bit between them. So, like I said, everybody's snowbound, man. Yeah, that's much better. Perfect. Oh, this is gonna cost me.
Is this good enough right here for them?
Yeah, just lift your plow up a little bit and feather it. Just kind of graduate it so it's not like big.
And let them know you got a guy that could probably be interested if something's going down. Come. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I tell you what, like in a case of something happened, I got Mark. For like Cletus.
Cletus? How does Mark move Cletus?
He's got trailers.
I texted him. I said, "Hey, Mark," and you're back.
Yeah.
You make fun of Mark and Cletus, but you know what? Sounds like Cletus is badass.
He is. Oh, I don't make fun of Mark. I love Mark. He's a little slower.
Last night you guys said, "Oh, slow Mark."
Just even the way he talks.
He is.
It's funny as fuck though.
He texted me and wished me a happy Thanksgiving.
Nice.
Yeah, I didn't have any cigarettes, so I'm like, well, I knew I had Jim Beam out in my car, right? And I'm like, well, if I can't have a cigarette, I'm gonna go get my Jim Beam. So, I had an adult beverage before you got there.
Nothing wrong with that. You're fine. You don't have to explain. It's all good in the good. I want to get that, but I gotta wait for some fucking semis. So they really move it down. It's like,
They don't want to take 90, and the 20 bridge is out. Route 20 has a bridge down to the east of here that's out. I don't know if you're aware of that. But that's why the truckers are on Route 5. Look at them all. All backed up last night. Just sitting there. Unbelievable.
then I can actually swoop just to get out the way. Oh God. It is unbelievable. I'm telling you. 'Cause I couldn't get through on like 3 different roads.
Oh, I can't imagine what you were going through in Erie these last couple. Jesus.
I can show you my phone right now, man. It's still going on.
Oh yeah. Help! Help! Help!
If people knew I had this technology right here to do this road, they'd be like, "Oh, hey, really, get over here. We need you worship for 2 lives. It don't matter about your life. Worship anyway."
Yeah, this looks the best here. This is the best part of the road. This part of the road doesn't get swampy and shitty like the rest of it, you know?
Can I go the other way with the plow now? This way?
I never do. I always throw that way. Always keep the plow to the right.
Look how clean that is.
You need to lift it up a little. You're hitting dirt.
Oh, when it's
You're already down to the dirt. Now you need to be throwing. You need to be trying to throw the top part of the snow. So.
Can I go right here a little?
Yeah, you can push it right up against there.
opening it up here and there in their own other people's properties. You know what I'm saying? Then you get them off of the road.
You can push some over by the pump station.
Where's that?
Right here. This is my property here. If you want to open this up a little bit, you better lift your plow up a bit though. This is all my property right here. So you can push as much out of the way as you want. And these folks here, if you want to back drag and get them cleaned out, you can put the snow over here. Yeah, you have a fair amount of like bushes and shrubs there for a buffer with the creek. That's all good, except you don't want to hit that pump station.
You just need a spot for you guys to park.
Just keep your plow a little high. Don't be digging the dirt. I'm pretty much thinking that their car is in the left-hand bay. I don't know. And you might not have to back drag their whole driveway, but if you could at least get what we threw over there.
Where you want?
But I don't know if you have room, if you're gonna have room to, if you could just like pull up and drop the blade and back drag, pull some of that snow over there out of their driveway.
Well, that's where I get stuck. Because of the heavy, you get stuck in between. I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of scary. That's why I was getting stuck up back there. I was trying to do that real quick. I can drive, but can't put it to their tree where you don't want to be pushing on it. Shit.
Well, I mean, it's gotta go somewhere. That's why I liked my Bronco, because the Bronco was real short, you know? I miss that Bronco. Up to you. This is great because if they want somewhere to put their snow, they can put it over here. And it would be really nice if I could get my truck over here and out of where it is, but oh well. That's good.
For some of this.
That's an area. Yeah, you can just push your plow up a little bit. There you go.
Enough?
I guess. I don't want to put any more in their driveway. It's just going to be all hard. We're gonna have to clean. And you can probably push some in this driveway here right next to, there's no one living there, that's a rental.
Dang.
Is that a sneeze?
Yeah.
Bless you.
Thank you.
It's probably from me smoking in your truck.
No, I'm good. It's too bad, we didn't know, like, if you wanted to, like, that thing, you knew that they needed that cleaned out, you know? The people you're talking about over there, the ones that were starting to do.
Ooh, the snowblower guy?
No. Right behind you.
Oh. They're just gonna have to hire someone. That's what everyone does. Pretty good?
Yep.
I'd say it's pretty good, except I'm still snowbound. No way out. Truck stuck. Need some gravel.
Like, you need to pull your truck out to be able to plow you. Or whatever.
my toe strap